Hello student, I am Prachi. Today's video on electrical estimation and contracting practicals. This is a requested video. So first is practical number 1, that is draw a wiring diagram and single line diagram of a residential installation, and this is the diagram. So the practical number 1, aim, relevant course outcomes, practical course outcomes, procedure and total load of building. First is light point, second is fan point, third is plug point, and fourth is power point. So light point means light is 60 watt and there are 9 light point. So 60 into 9, that is 540 watt. And fan point, there are 3 fan and there are 4 plug point and power point. So this is the total. And this is the whole. In brief, in whole there are some points, that is first is light point and fan point and plug point. There are two number of light point and one fan point and two plug point. In bedroom, two light point, one fan point and one plug point. In kitchen, two light point, one plug point and one fan point. इन एनीवेयर मीन्स इन बाथ और एनीवेयर बाथरूम वगैरह, इसमें वन लाइट, टू लाइट पॉइंट एंड वन फैन पॉइंट. एंड इन पैसेज and one light point, and in porch one light point. So lamp point means lamp is a 60 watt, tube point is also 40 watt, and fan point is 60 watt, plug point is 60 watt, power plug is 1000 watt, and exhaust fan is 100 watt. So the we calculate this by so this is the calculation, means their wattage and number of points into their multiplication, and there is a total, that is 2960 watt. So this is the some explanation, first, second, third, and this is the fourth. So this is the diagram, that is the wiring diagram. And this next some in the last, this is the 0.5, 0.6, and last is the conclusion. From this practical we conclude, means from this practical what we understand, from this practical we conclude how to draw a wiring diagram and single line diagram of a residential installation. Next is practical number 2, aim is draw the symbol of installation components on the above plan showing their location. So this is the practical number 2. Draw the symbol of installation components on the above plan showing their location. So these are the symbols. These are also the symbol, meter symbol. See this carefully. These are the meter symbols. DC-AC voltmeter, DC-AC wattmeter, DC-AC ammeter, DC generator, AC generator, motor transformer regulator, frequency meter, and power factor meter. This is the electric installation symbols. Fault to frame, magnetic core, laminate core, dust core, general wiring, conduit wiring, and wiring going downward, wiring passing through room, single pole one way switch, 3 pole one way switch, and 1 pole switch. So these are also the symbols. And ISI symbol in wiring work, these are the most important symbol. And last is conclusion. Hence we have studied various symbols with description which is used in various electrical diagram. Insulated conductor in conduits in watt, and insulated conductor in cable duration on wall, then not a watt, it is a wall. and arm cable on ceiling. These are the two practicals. In the last video, in the next lecture, I discuss the third and fourth practical. So today's thank you.